In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan on Notion. First, open Notion. You can use the desktop or mobile app or simply head to notion.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you're looking at your workspace. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Next, open Settings. Look to the left sidebar and click Settings. This is your control center for account and workspace options, and it's where all plan and billing controls live. If you manage more than one workspace, make sure you're viewing the correct one before you continue, so the change applies where you intend. Inside Settings, find the option to upgrade. You'll either see Upgrade Plan or Explore Plans. Both take you to the same place, the Plans page where you can compare what's available and choose what fits your needs. Now it's time to choose your plan. You'll see options like Plus, Business, and Enterprise. Plus is great if you want more powerful features than the free tier, such as larger file uploads and more collaboration tools for individuals or small teams. Business is built for growing teams that need advanced collaboration, admin controls, and better scalability. Enterprise is designed for organizations that require the highest level of security, compliance, and centralized administration. Pick the plan that best matches how you work today and where you expect to grow. Once you've decided, click Upgrade under your selected plan. This moves you into the checkout view for that plan. Before you confirm, take a moment to review billing. Check the price so there are no surprises and note the date of your next bill. If you see options for billing interval, make sure the monthly or yearly choice reflects what you want and verify the number of members or seats shown matches your team. Also ensure the workspace name at the top is correct so you're upgrading the right place. When everything looks right, click Upgrade Now to confirm. This finalizes your selection and processes the change. And that's it. Your plan activates immediately. You should see your workspace reflect the new plan right away. And any features included in your chosen tier will be available to you as soon as the upgrade completes. If you ever need to revisit details, come back to Settings and you'll find your current plan and billing information there. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to upgrade your plan on Notion with confidence and clarity.